Do you want to remove blend in Instagram? You can leave the Instagram blend feature with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove blend on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Now, open the chat with the friend with whom you are using the Instagram blend feature. Inside the chat, tap on the blend icon at the top of the screen. Now you will see all the Reels videos you both have interacted with. At the top of the blend screen, tap on the settings menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select Leave this blend. Confirm your action by tapping the Leave button from the pop-up confirmation. Now, the blend feature will be removed, and you won't see shared blend reels or playlists with that friend anymore.